Hello, Tomahawk YouTube here. When it comes time to buy a mechanical keyboard, knowing which switch to buy can be really confusing. So stay tuned to this video to hear about all the different types of Cherry MX switches. Let's go ahead and start off by talking about the three different types of Cherry MX switches. First, we have the linear switches, which are generally loved by gamers, and they have no way to tell when they've actuated. They just go straight down to the bottom. Then we have the tactile switches, which have a small bump when they are actuated. Then we have the tactile and clicky switches, which not only give you a tactile bump when you've reached the actuation point, but also a audible click. Sounds like that. Then let's go ahead and talk about the types of switches in each family. First, starting with the linear switches, we have the Cherry MX Reds and the Cherry MX Blacks. The Reds are the lighter switch at 45 grams, and the blacks are heavier at 80 grams. Then in the tactile family, we have the browns, the clears, and the grays, with the browns being the lightest at 45 grams. They're also the most common Cherry MX switch. The clears being heavier at 65 grams, and the grays, which are quite a rare switch, coming in at about 80 grams. Then, on the tactile and clicky family, we find the blues, the whites, and the greens. Start off with the blues around 50 grams. The whites around 65 grams, and the greens around 80 grams. Just a quick sound test of all the different switches: the reds, the blacks, the browns, the clears, the grays, the blues, the whites, and the greens. Thanks for watching this video, and go ahead and like this video if you liked it, subscribe to see more tech-related content, and leave a comment down in the description if you have any other questions or comments regarding the video.